Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited for today's Get It All Done video where we are cleaning, getting some prep done, and grocery shopping. Basically just getting a ton of homemaking done here in the kitchen, and I'm also going to be sharing some cleaning motivation as well, so stay tuned for that. If you're new here, I would love if you hit that red subscribe button and hit the thumbs up if this is the type of videos you like. Without further ado, let's jump right in. So we are starting off at the grocery store. I shopped at the superstore today as it was just honestly where I went. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take you shopping. We're gonna get tons of groceries. I will share a haul a little bit later in the video. And I am also going to be sharing the Christmas decor here at the superstore. Plus later in the video, I am sharing what my weekly reset routine looks like as a stay-at-home mom. So go ahead, put me up on whatever device and get some stuff done with me. Let me know what you are doing while watching today. Are you up and cleaning with me, getting all the things done around your home, or are you sitting down, relaxing, and trying to get motivated? Let me know down below.
Only like a friend. Till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end. And now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind. Deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Ain't spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm counting hours, minutes, seconds, faster. Hurry, make it happen. Before we know it, I'll be on my way home. Yeah, we're chilling, I just, you and I. Every crazy summer night, baby, I am coming home. I'm coming home. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Ain't spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal.
Okay, I'm gonna jump right into the grocery haul now. I am home. It's really late. It's like 9 p.m, which is way past my bedtime, but this is how much I love you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys a grocery haul, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get the stuff put away and do some prepping. So this is the grocery haul, just a little overview. As you can see, lots and lots of good stuff. So I put all of this stuff here as this actually goes downstairs in our basement where we have like a separate stash, I'll say. So I got some organic olive oil as it was on sale. I got some mayo for the stash. I got the girls some salt and vinegar goldfish. These ones are so good. And the pretzel ones as well, they really like. I got our favorite pizza crust mix, some dish soap, ketchup for the girls. This stuff is incredible. I don't think I've ever shared this before, but if you were making gravies and stuff, this is a really good thickener. There also is a beef one. We got some ranch seasoning as I do a lot of cooking with that stuff. We're making pizza tomorrow night, so I got some pizza sauce for the girls' pepperoni pizza. Our favorite bread, the Dave's Killer bread. I've shared this 1,000 times. I got some potatoes for, I'm making a roast beef dinner, so I got some of those. Moving over here, I got a rotisserie chicken for the pizza tomorrow night. I got some organic gala apples. The girls love apples. Some burger buns for burgers later this week. And then wraps for our lunches and stuff. I also got these flatbreads. I've shared these before, not for a really long time though, so they were on sale. And I'm gonna make some flatbreads. We're having some people over, part of our homeschooling group, and so we're gonna make some flatbreads for lunch. I got this cherry pie filling for obviously a pie. This is also really good on cheesecake. And then one of my girlfriends cooks with this coconut milk, so I thought I would buy some and try it out. I got some bananas, pineapple, just like the usual. Got some organic carrots here, romaine lettuce, cauliflower. I switched it to organic because it was actually the same price as the non-organic and it looked just as good. Usually the organic doesn't look as good, so it's kind of hit and miss, but it was fine. I got these Farmer's mini cucumbers. We go through cucumbers so much with our wraps. Same with peppers, which is why I buy 4 peppers. These will be gone literally in probably 3 days. I got a pack of grapes because, I don't know, I was craving them. It was like a total impulse buy, not on my grocery list. I got some baby spinach for the girls' smoothies. I got the yogurt because, again, this is like, we use it in smoothies. I use it as sour cream. It is really high in protein, as you can see, 15 grams. And yeah, so it's really, really good. Garbage bags, super random. I got lots of meat. It was all on sale. Actually, not all, but a lot of it was. So I got some bacon. I got a roast beef. We're going to be having roast beef. And then I got 3 packages of the free run chicken. Love this stuff, and it was pretty cheap, so I stocked up. I'm really excited about this. You guys know I love my Dawn Powerwash, and this is a new scent, the Free and Clear. This is Free and Clear of dyes with a light pear scent, so I'm really excited to try that. And then I got this for spending so much money, my life story. And then last but not least, I got some eggs. So that is our grocery haul. I want you to guess in the comments how much you think all of this was, and I will share how much it was here. Here's my receipt that's like 100 miles long. Insane. $333.76 is the total. Okay, you guys, if I'm gonna make it through this, I need a bottle of wine. Not a bottle, but a glass. It's Thursday night when I'm filming this, and I don't know why, I just have a random craving for wine. So I'm gonna crack this Jacob's Creek Moscato Rose. This is so good. It's not real wine, so don't come at me. It's like juice. But if you don't like wine and you like juice, if you know what I mean, this stuff is incredible. All right, guys, grab a glass of wine, grab a coffee, grab a water, whatever your drink of choice. Let me know what it is in the comments, and let's get cleaning together. Cheers.
I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do.
So normally I do not go grocery shopping and do my weekly reset after dark, or even in the evening for that matter, but I did do it obviously on this day. Nothing changes other than the fact that I don't normally do it in the evening. However, I actually really enjoyed going grocery shopping in the evening. I might make it my new weekly routine, as I just had a lot of fun doing it, to be honest. And the hubby's home, I don't have to worry about taking the kids. But I really like taking the girls grocery shopping, as I just think it's a good thing to do. I used to love going grocery shopping with my mom when I was a little girl, but let me know in the comments if you take your children grocery shopping with you or not.
I've got you, welcome you into my world. I know that some
So I'm just going ahead and prepping our veggies for the week. I like to make a veggie tray as it's healthy, obviously, and when it's already pre-cut and prepped and all the things, we eat it. And honestly, this veggie tray was gone within like 2 or 3 days. It's actually insane the amount of veggies that we eat when I am prepping them. And so I definitely make sure that this is part of my weekly reset routine every single week. Let me know in the comments if you do any food prep at all to help you save some time and just to help your family to eat a little bit healthier. I wanted to show you this little pepper hack and just the easiest way to cut a pepper. So you just take it and then cut it from the top down, kind of like I'm doing here. I kept this regular motion for you guys so you could get a really good view. And then you just go ahead and chop them. And you guys, I can't even believe how easy this is. If it is a very, very big pepper, I will go ahead and cut the top off as well, and then cut the ends off just so that, you know, you have a lot of peppers. But I just wanted to share that little homemaking hack with you guys because I hope that it will help you.
Just hold tight, we're up at the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light, believe in the magic, and we can save you from your bed.
All right, now that the grocery haul and the prepping is all done, now it is time to go ahead and get into the cleaning motivation. So I'm gonna let the music play, and I hope you guys are up and moving with me. If not, get on up and clean along with me.
We're doing it all, the feeling is so, maybe you got me, believe in the magic. We're doing it all, the feeling is so, maybe you got me, believe in the magic. Maybe you got me. Just you in that baseline, we're way past sunshine, believe in the magic. Alright, step into the moonlight, get into that good time, believe in the magic, and we can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last, when nothing else makes sense, just dance. We're doing it all, the feeling is so, maybe you got me, believe in the magic. We're doing it all, the feeling is so, maybe you got me, believe in the magic. Maybe you got me. So, baby, you got me. We're doing it all, the feeling is so, baby, you got me, believe in the magic. We're doing it all, the feeling is so, baby, you got me, believe in the magic. We're doing it all, the feeling is so, baby, you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. I believe it. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. Yeah.
We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low
So I'm going ahead and scrubbing my kitchen floor on my hands and knees, kind of old school. And I am doing this, I like to do this once a week and just really get the kitchen floor clean, as really and truly it's disgusting down there when you're actually down your hands and knees and what you see. I feel like I can just give the floor a way better clean, and I love ending the night with a nice, clean, freshly mopped floor. If you're still watching, I would love if you give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel as a small creator. And go ahead and leave me your favorite emoji down below.
I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside.
All right, everybody, that is it for today's After Dark Clean with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed my weekly reset routine. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family, and we'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside.